Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear student. This is Zaharul and you all are welcome to the EDUqabill. And today's lecture, I am going to tell you about the Rutherford Atomic Model. We know that in 1911, Rutherford published his paper about the alpha ray scattering experiment. Through this experiment, Rutherford discovered a nucleus. In this experiment, Rutherford used three important instruments. The first one is source of alpha rays, the second one is thin gold foil, and the third one is zinc sulfide screen. Rutherford placed the source of alpha rays in the front of the source of alpha rays. He placed the thin gold foil, while in the back of the gold foil he placed the zinc sulfide screen. Rutherford observed that most of the rays just went through the gold foil and make a bright spot on the zinc sulfide screen, while a few rays just reflected after hitting the gold foil. According to these observations, Rutherford concluded that most of the space inside the atom is empty, therefore these rays travel through the gold foil and make a bright spot on the screen. While he also concluded that the few rays are just reflected after hitting the gold foil, he concluded the alpha particle is positive charged particle and there will be some positive charged particle. Due to its repulsion, these particles are reflected after the hitting the gold pile, and then he called it is a nucleus. We know that in the nucleus there is proton and neutron. Proton are also positive charge, and we know that the alpha is also positive charge. These these two same charged particles repel each other, and these rays reflected after hitting the gold foil. Rutherford also said that the atom is spherical in shape and electrons revolve around the nucleus in a circular path called the shell or orbit. But there are a lot of limitations in this model. The first limitation is that if the electrons revolve around the nucleus in a circular path, they will spend energy, and due to strong nuclear force of attraction, they will be pulled down into the nucleus. So this model is failed because they do not explain the stability of the atom. And if the electron absorb energy, they will be excited to higher energy level, and by the excitation they emitted the continuous spectrum, but experimentally they by the excitation they emitted the line spectrum. So these are about the Rutherford atomic model. So thank you very much.